today?
I'm playing with vehicles.
Oh, nice. You got a mega crane and a cement truck.
No, I want to open this one first.
You want to open the mega crane first?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Welcome to Ryan ToysReview. Here's what it looks like put together. Whoa, I didn't know it could do that.
Right, it's taller than you.
Yeah, but I'm like the head.
Ooh.
Okay.
Whoa.
Wait, I'm gonna pretend he's grabbing this bucket. Okay, can I grab this bucket? Okay.
Whoa, you got a bucket?
Whoa, what's heavy to it?
Whoa, and it can turn too.
But kids, I didn't know when we lifted up the bucket was too heavy.
Ooh. That's super cool.
Kids, I'm gonna see who I can pick up in that bucket, can I?
Okay, who? It's so tiny, the bucket. Oh no, Joker's stuck in a bucket.
He's a bad guy though. That's it, I'm not gonna let you down, Joker.
Batman's not gonna let him down?
No. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's gonna go in this thing. Hey, let's pick up Lightning McQueen.
Ooh.
Look, it's so wiggly. Down. Let's pick him up.
Yay!
Wait, he's not Joker. Now let's open the cement truck.
Nice, let's go. Ooh.
Okay.
Whoa, cool.
Kids, look at the big one and the small one.
Oh.
That's a
Big cement and small cement truck?
Back it up.
Oh. Whee! Woo!
No. It's dirty.
Okay.
It's all clean. Oh no, I'm stuck. Can somebody help me? I'll help you, Major. Just hop inside. Whee! Thank you, Batman.
Yay, Mater's rescue. Thank you, Batman.
Thank you, Batman. You're welcome, Mater.
Let's see. Put it in there. Nice. Uh-oh. Okay, that way maybe it works. Oh, it's not falling down. That's good. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What happened?
How did it bump?
Maybe it's too heavy for the crane. Nice. Nice.
Bye, don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye. If you like this video, leave a like. Bye. If you want more construction vehicles, please subscribe. Bye.
Ready, get set, let's race! Woo!
I won first, kid.
Yeah, yours did. Hi, Ryan!
Hi.
What are you playing with today?
I'm playing with construction trucks vehicles.
Nice! Oh, can you just go by itself?